What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock. First of all, brief information about this company. NIO is a holding company which engages in the design, manufacture and sale of electric vehicles, driving innovations and next generation technologies in connectivity, autonomous driving and artificial intelligence. The company provides users with home charging and Power Express wallet service and other power solutions, including access to public charging, access to power mobile charging trucks and battery swapping. Here is some numbers of this company. Their total market cap for now is $62.51 billion. They have a revenue of $2.49 billion with a net income of negative $859.52 million. But they have a mind-blowing revenue growth of 107.77% year-over-year. And this means they reinvest all the money into their business, and that's why they have this revenue growth. They have a total cash of $6.49 billion with a total debt of $1.44 billion, and their current ratio is highly above 1.5 that is required for the majority of investors. And let me show you recent news. We are on NIO.com, and the two most recent news that they reach 100,000 production cars in April 2021, and they have deliveries for the first quarter of 2021. And here is the summary. In March, NIO says it delivered 7,257 vehicles, which is a new company record. That includes 1,529 of the company's ES8s, which is a 7-seater premium SUV, 3,152 ES6, which is the 5-seat model SUV, and 2,576 EC6s, which is the 5-seater high-performance coupe. In all, NIO Smart deliveries resulted in year-over-year growth of 373%, and it is mind-blowing number. For the first quarter, NIO delivered 20,060 vehicles, which was year-over-year growth of 423%. That number came as a pleasant surprise because NIO had revised its forecasts for quarter deliveries to 19.5 thousand units from its previous forecast of 20,000 to 25,000. So, despite the semiconductor shortage, NIO was able to fulfill its original forecast after all. That prompted Bank of America securities analyst Ming-Sum Lee to reiterate her buy rating on NIO stock and set a price target at $63. That projected upside of 59%. And let me show you their projected results of year-end 2021. And they estimate that deliveries will be at least 97,636 in 2021, or up another 123% year-over-year. As author expects, a slight increase in the average sales price, revenue will be $5.8 billion this year, up 150% year-over-year. And in my opinion, this company can easily hit these numbers because the Chinese government chipped in more than $1 billion in 2019 for NIO to get off the ground. The company also has a partnership with Anhai Junhai Automobile Group, which is a state-owned into manufacturing. And basically they have a strong background, they have great financials, and all this information leads us to their institutional investors. And since I made my previous video, we have several filings, and two of them is just completely new position, and it's not so big, $29,000 and $1,000 respectively. And here we have one closed position, and it's also not so big, it is only $24,000. But all these huge amounts of almost $850 million, more than $850 million, they are increased by 18% or 20 something percent. And basically all this information leads us to the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, as you might see, we have this consolidation phase between 0.382 and 0.5 levels, and here we have strong support on 0.5 levels of $34.51 price point. And as you can see, The closer price to this action, the higher volume becomes. And this means this is a very strong support, and these two green bars represents our entry points. And as you can see, we have even lower prices with our potential entry point. But in my opinion, as I already mentioned in my previous video, by the way, all the links will be in the description below, I don't think that we might hit this level in nearest future, and I don't think that we might ever hit this level again. But it is still possible. Just probability of this price action is close to zero. And that's why I think this is the most prominent point to put this company into your investment portfolio. And let me show you this pattern. As you can see, we form in some kind of triangle. It is in shape of a symmetrical triangle, and basically we can go either way. But with the total bullish sentiment, with the fundamentals of this company, I think we will break this formation to the upside with the huge conviction of volume. And this will indicate the new uptrend from these lows. And let me show you my previous assumption that we might have this type of retracement. Basically, it is still in play, but it's less probable because we have a very bullish sentiment all over the news, and this formation might be not at that point. But let me show you right here. We might have something like this as a simple zigzag. And here might be our lowest point, and from this point we are starting to form a new uptrend, and it is 100% legit. It's this formation doesn't violate any rules of Elliott wave theory, because we have a structure of 3-3-5s, and that's why I think we might break this formation to the upside. And from this point, let me show you that we have these price targets. And first of all, let me clean the chart a little bit. So, to make a forecast, I pull a Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of entire structure to the top of entire structure. Here is the second point, and third point at the lowest point of the retracement. And according to Elliott wave theory, we might have 0.786 level as our primary target, and it leads us to $83.35 price point. Next target might be at 1-to-1 extension, and it is $97.31 mark. And the most aggressive target is right here at 1.618 level, and it is $137.63 mark. And let me show you the percentage of these potential gains. From our entry point right here, we have 115% to our most conservative target, more than 150% to our second target, and more than 250% to our third target. And in my opinion, we might hit this target by the end of the year. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!